What is going on, guys? It is me, Yelling Man, bringing you a new video, and this is Black Ops 2. A lot of my friends have been saying, dude, can you tell us any classes to use for Call of Duty Black Ops 2? And I was like, sure, why not? And I decided to make one, but yeah, let's get right into the video. But before that, could you just leave a like and let me know what you think? Should I keep doing this or not? But yeah. So today we'll be talking about the assault rifles. And one of the powerful assault rifles is the one called MA1. Now this gun is so powerful. Now as you can see, it's an assault rifle and it's pretty kind of hard to get kills with this because it's shoots not really the best kind, but yeah. You just gotta get headshots. Have DLCs. But I don't like those. Yeah. You can choose whatever camo you want. I'm gonna go with the dragon. It looks beast with that dragon. Attachments. You will need to have a reflex sight. Now you could decide which one you want. It really doesn't matter as long as you get kills. The next one is gonna be force grip or quick draw. It depends on you. But yeah, I'm gonna go with force grip. Now for your secondaries, you could have a 5.7 to pistol 5.7s and do a wheel. So we're gonna go move into the perk 1, and I recommend you getting a flat jacket for less explosives and getting a ghost because you don't want to be in UAVs. And the second, you could have toughness, less shots, and third, you could have tactical mask to reduce uh flashbangs, grenades, and all that. But yeah, you will not be able to have a lethal and a tactical. But yeah, this gun is great to use. Recommend you using this gun. It's best. For me, it's the best. Has a lot of damage, and next video will be about the N94, which is one big machine gun. Not machine gun, but assault rifle. It is so good. I don't even know what to think about that gun. It's perfect, and I love that gun. A lot of people like this gun. But yeah, I will be making a video about this thing. But yeah, other than that, I'm out, guys. Until next time, I'm out.